I want to introduce to you Skinprint's new and improved Skintellect Microgel Cream. This proprietary formula provides a blend of skin health actives and personalized anti-aging effects. Concentrated factors restore 3 keys to skin health: barrier, microbiome, and pH. V-shaped lifting tightens and lifts the neck, the jowls, cheeks, and eye areas. So let's talk about some of these active ingredients. Self-regenerative stem cell technology helps stimulate collagen and elastin production for dramatic V-shaped lifting that provides a more youthful facial appearance. Biomimetic natural moisturizing factors, or NMF, hyaluronic acid, and squalane retain hydration for an all-day moisturization and barrier care. Our targeted peptide trio works simultaneously with pure retinol and multi-active brighteners to revitalize skin for a youthful, radiant complexion. Prebiotics bolster healthy skin microbiome function to help protect against pathogen and harmful organisms, while a pH-optimized formula naturalizes skin. Unlike any other skincare products, Skinprint proprietary technology in Skintellect Microgel Cream provides the next generation in ageless skin health.